everyone, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today I'm using this transfer, Country Girl, and I'm going to make a sign out of this wood block. Now in this, I am marking the back because these transfers are reusable. And I just want to make sure that I put it back on the correct side. So you'd want the sticky side of the transfer to the glossy side of the backing. And then you put it away in the plastic wrap it comes in and store it until you're ready to use it on the next time. Now I'm blocking out this Country Girl on the bottom because first I just want to do I believe it's a windmill, in black chalk paste, black velvet. And then I'm going to come back and do just the country because I'm not a country girl actually. I do like country decor though. So on this one, I just wanted to put the country on the bottom. So now I'm just doing the reverse masking. Masking the top so I can just quickly chalk on here and not worry about putting paste where I don't want it. However, paste does wipe off. So if you do, just wipe it off, no biggie. So just with a squeegee, you put it on, apply a little bit of pressure, and then wipe off the excess, put it back in your jar. You can use it again some other time. And there it is. I love it. I think it looks really nice with the other groupings of country. So that's how I'm doing it. So figure out how you'd like to do it. Thanks for watching.